So we're going to do a quick tour of my small photography studio. I'll give you a quick pan. Okay, so over here is the camera gear. I shoot with a Canon 5D Mark III, mostly with a 50mm lens, that's the 1.2L, and there's my Sigma 85mm art. Over here just old decorative stuff that's kind of cool. Up here, slightly creepy doll. Now this is an antique changing screen. It's about a century old. Chinese design, but English made. Okay, so over here, if you can kind of see them, are a load of rolled up canvas backdrops. So most of these are made by Gravity. I do all of my shooting tethered into Capture One. Hugely minimizes the mistakes I make from having to rely on a camera LCD screen. So here are two of my Octaboxes. So I use Elinchrom lights, the BRX 250, and there's the 100cm Rotolux Deep Octabox. And over here is the 150. That's the Deep Rotolux as well. So the 100 has got a second layer of diffusion clamped on the front for the kind of softest light I can give, or softest light I can get. Here's one of the Gravity drops, and a 70cm Rotolux Octa, which I use all the time. Now down here is a load of antique furniture. I get all this stuff from junk shops and thrift stores and flea markets and stuff. And it's all sort of relatively unique, I think. So the size of this studio is 4.5 by 5.5 meters. So that's 14 by 18 feet. So it's pretty small. But I get some pretty interesting and good work done in here. So it's just about okay for me. So down here is a quite interesting old Royal mailbox, which I use as a seat, and next to it that's a Victorian nursing chair, the really low one, and a Victorian ship's captain's chair. That's a mid-century, a sort of early 1960s vinyl chair that I use from time to time. And here is my wind machine for blowing hair. Ooh, whoops. Which goes from 0 to gale force fairly fast. And there we are, one more quick pan, and we'll be done.